Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. This is going to be probably a two-part. Me and my lovely assistant are going to be installing a carbon fiber trunk for the Q60. I'm super excited. I wanted this before GAT, but it just didn't work out that way. And plus, I didn't want to rush it too much. I knew I wanted it before the trunk or treat event. So this will probably be the last mod until then, until like next month or two, but we'll see. That's crazy. We'll see how that works out. But yeah, let me show y'all what we got going on. So this is a $1,300, well, $1,300 trunk. As y'all see, this is the duck bill. The trunk is just upside down. I didn't have no more room to put it anywhere, so this is for the Q60 carbon fiber. Oh my god, carbon fiber trunk. With a high kick spoiler, kind of like what I got going on now. But the difference between that and that is obviously it's carbon fiber, super light. But y'all know, oh, well, now y'all know this was all messed up. And this got to come off. Like, my hand is fully under here, so it was already on the verge of coming off. So we're going to take this off, take off the trunk, replace everything, and go from there. Let me show y'all some goodies I got for the Eclipse. Got this for the Eclipse. Won this on a bid at Facebook. It's super cool. You mind grabbing that for me? That side. Yeah. So that's a nice touch. Once I get the spoiler extension, it'll look really good. And then carbon fiber fog light bezels. Lamont's gonna help me with that. I tried to do it, but the screw just was not trying to come out. So, you ready to get to work?
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go. All right, guys. See you on a little bit. So we got that off, and now, literally just need to remove everything right here. Unbolt this, that, and that. Take this out, so that's gonna be fun, and go from there. I did have my detailing bag, so my bad. I didn't clean your windows yesterday.
Okay. You're not really good at that, so.
Dang, that's rude. Not on camera. Not on camera. Dang, nah. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. Hey. All right. So, can you grab my knife?
Maybe.
Real quick. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take my knife, pry these up so I could get this cover off, and then after that, see what wiring I need to take off. I know I need to take off the taillights. So, but yeah, this is what the trunk looks like right now. All right, guys. So we pretty much transferred almost everything. We're trying to get this. Let me show the people real quick. So on both sides, there's this one clip right here that's giving us a hard time to get off. We're trying to break it at this point, but after that, we'll feed everything down here. That way all the wires will be here, and we'll literally be able to put the new trunk on. I'm going to be running without a camera maybe for a day, because me and Lamont going to be linking up for the Eclipse, but we're going to try to figure something out with the trunk, because if you see down there, there's like nothing for me to mount the camera on. So that's kind of depressing, because if you look in here, that bracket is right there, and I don't know if we'll be able to reuse it. I don't know. So, and I got an upgraded camera anyway, so it's not a big deal, but it's still a big deal on like how do I get that mounted in. So we'll see. So she's been going at it. She's been a lovely help. But after that, after we get those clips off, we'll be able to unscrew here, which looks like 8s on both sides, and then throw the other one on. So we are officially stuck. There's apparently like foam stuff in here, and there's nothing, nowhere where we can find it on YouTube or whatever. I'm gonna see if I can, yeah, y'all can see right in there that where the wire goes is what we need to get, but it's like it's stuck. and I guess it's stuck like on the foam itself. So while she was looking, I discovered something. Everyone is literally, I was joking about it earlier, but everyone is literally cutting into this to get this. And what I'm gonna do is, because I just recently discovered, I haven't even showed her yet. I don't know why, but my trunk is already split. So I'm about to pry this sucker all the way off down the middle and try to get it. And the thing is like, we just need to get it enough where we could get the wire. Once we clear the room out, this trunk is already trashed because of our mess up from prior. So, hi, Brian.
Hi. Goodbye. Stop recording me. Hey, don't dox me, okay? Don't do nothing.
So yeah, so your boy's about to sit here and pry this, just like that. I'm about to tell one of my brothers to come down and bring me a hammer so I could hit this in deeper and just go like that and pry it open. I mean, if it works, it works. This trunk is trash anyway, so. And then the whole camera thing is a whole nother situation we got to figure out. But yeah, hopefully maybe I could buy that bracket from Infinity brand new, because that's the bracket we need, and we don't have that on this one. So we'll see. Yeah, and we need it. All right, guys, new discovery. So y'all see how my trunk is looking right now. Kind of crazy. I can't wait to have my friends look at this video and be like, bro, what the hell? So I'm gonna try to see if y'all could, oh, right there. Oh, stop moving. Yeah, right there, y'all can see that there's a white clip right there. And that actually looks like a detachable clip, one of the ones I was just talking about. And no, that's not a detachable. That's actual clip. And the problem with that, the hole for it is right there. So that's hilarious. So now I gotta break that, and hopefully we should be able to pull this wiring out. It's already split, so it ain't much harder other than pretty much getting the foam out of the way probably. But then that should be it, hopefully. This is a lot just for a wire. Wires. So yeah, if I didn't pop it open, there's people like on YouTube cutting this all the way open, and honestly, that's easy, but that's sketchy too because of the wires themselves. Who knows how much that is? And then be careful. I already broke a nail, guys. Yep, right there. But that's so funny. But yeah, so let us get to it, and hopefully we can get it out of here. Because literally after we get the wires, we just gotta remove this bolt, and on the other side, and that's it. So it's kind of annoying, but we'll get there. We finally got it. Almost got copyrighted, guys, but we finally did it.
It was this clip.
It was this clip. So there's it's like a nut, it's like a bolt, but it's not a bolt. It's like, it's right here. I don't know what it's called, or it's like that, but it's up here. And so what it was, where is it? Oh shit. This was just on there, and they just pushed it on there, and it locked in place with that little mechanism right there at the bottom. So props to her, she got it. And then I saw that there was a zip tie right there just holding it down. So they literally make this so you cannot use it. They don't want you to replace it, I mean. So, but now to the fun things. These are, I believe, 7s. We're going to take these off and go about our business. Everything else should be literally easy now. The only thing we still haven't figured out is the camera, but that's a problem for another day, tomorrow. And yeah, because I don't know how, even if we did get this off, guys, I don't know how it's going to be stuck back on. So that's the only like dilemma with that. So we'll see. But all right, be right back. All right, guys, so this is the OEM and then carbon fiber with the duckbill. I don't know if you guys could really see the difference. Well, you should be able to see the difference, but yeah, it's a night and day difference on weight too. She was like, this one's way heavier than that. So hopefully that'll show over time with all the mods and everything that'll be coming to it. But yeah, now we're just throwing that back on, feeding this through, not using none of these dumb clips, and plugging things up back where they go. So you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, let's get to it. So as y'all see, this is the final trunk. I'm gonna go back a little later to see if I could get this trunk to close a tad bit more, like go down, because I don't like that gap. like that. But other than that, it was super simple other than the wiring. We're gonna have this hole here for a little bit until I figure out something with that. Me and Lamont gonna take a look at that later. But yeah, guys, the vision is coming together. Just need carbon fiber fenders now in a hood. But after we get all that, it'll be good. So, thoughts?
We're done.
Scale of 1 to 10 on difficulty.
So I'll have to answer that.
Yeah, go ahead, let the people know.
My hands hurt. Does that help?
It was a lot. I had to use her tiny hands because your boy got big boy hands, and it just was not going to work out in my favor.
It wasn't
So,
bad though.
yeah, it wasn't too bad. Once you got the wiring out, it was super simple. Everything was a 8 or a 10 millimeter or a Phillips. Literally, the screws for the camera was a Phillips. But again, I need to figure out, is there a bracket I need to get? So that's something I need to probably contact Infinity about.
Yep.
To see, is there like a one-off where, like on the backside, it's like 3M or some type of adhesive I'll just pull off, push it firmly, and then I can just bolt up the camera. But other than that, pretty smooth. So definitely like it. That's a thumbnail photo right there. It's awesome. But peace out, guys. See you on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If this is short, this clip don't matter. But if it's short, we're going to continue it. So, peace. I don't think I ever said how much I got this for. This is a $1,300 trunk, actual carbon fiber, but I got it for $900. So I had to drive a couple hours to go get it, but it was definitely good. So, see you on in a little bit, and had to block that hole. That's why I needed the tape. I put multiple layers.